Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone and welcome back to another Eurovision reaction video. Today I am going to be reacting to Italy's song, in case you couldn't already hear that. Sorry, I put some chili Skittles in my mouth before I started and they're spicy. But yes, I'm reacting to Italy's song today, which is Fai Rumore by Diodato. And you know, I've heard that this song is very well loved among the people. And so I'm kind of excited to see what the fuss is about. Now, this song came first in Sanremo, which is not Italy's national selection process, technically. It's a cultural celebration of Italian music. And so this is the song that came first in Sanremo, which then they put through to Eurovision. So it basically is, if you win Sanremo, you go to Eurovision. However, that's not what it's for. It's actually a national celebration of music, which I think is a very good idea. And UK could take some hints. No tea, no shade. But anyway, it is time to react to this song. Earphones are in, and I'm pressing play. There's that classic Eurovision sound. It's great. I have some Skittles. I don't know what I think. It's a very interesting voice. Drum like this. I like the slow build. Alright. And there's how he can belt in this chorus. I mean, you can see how much this song means to him, and I mean, they are powerful lyrics. Like, they're in English here, and wow. And then we have changing orchestration to go into the second verse, keeps you interested, you know. Italian sounds so nice sung every year. I mean, if you're going to meet this person in the video, they always seem so far away from him. Is she real? Oh. This chorus is really memorable. That Fai Rumore Cree, because it's so simple and it sticks in your head, like it's in my head. Cree, oh, see. Silenzio naturale tra me e te. And we have the little break. Just also appreciate that he's playing the piano. Sorry, is this Grace? Are they flirting? Do they have superpowers too? Here we have the part of the chorus yet again. And there's the falsetto bit. And it just comes to a nice back down at the end. And she's real. think I can see what all the fuss is about. I think I can. But I didn't fully connect with the song, and that doesn't mean I don't like it. I just didn't fully connect. It's a bit like Portugal 2017. It was, wow. Portugal 2017. I just didn't fully connect with it, and I don't know if that's because it's in Italian, which I really appreciate, and the other one was obviously was in Portuguese, but I just didn't fully get into it. Like, it's a good song. It's a masterpiece of keeping you interested the whole way through. Great music video as well. But I just don't feel, I'm just not getting it. And like, I understand the song, obviously the lyrics were there in English, so it's able to read and understand it, but I'm not fully into it. Which isn't a bad thing, because we all have songs we like and we all have songs we don't like. And it's not gonna be in my top 10. It might not be in my top 15 either. It just depends what I like, and that's my opinion. I mean, I'm not changing my opinion for anyone, so yeah. But it is a good song, and I do appreciate it. But yeah, Italy. I mean, let's be honest, he has an amazing voice, and he can sing, because he must have been able to sing to win Sanremo, which is a very, very prestigious contest, let's be real. So, that is all I have time for. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, because I make new Eurovision videos quite frequently. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Ciao!